Hello guys, spotted testing new JAWA motorcycle. The upcoming JAWA will be a retro-styled roadster. It surely looks promising for a 300cc offering. What needs to be seen is whether the new age JAWA will take on the most popular classic brand sold in India, Royal Enfield. Though the JAWA is a 300cc offering while the Royal Enfields come in the 350cc range. With less than a month for the official unveil of the new JAWA motorcycle, images of the prototype undergoing testing have emerged online. Although the body panels have been heavily camouflaged, we can see that the new motorcycle has numerous retro styling elements inspired by the original JAWA. The bike features a round headlight with dispersion style lens similar to the Royal Enfield 650 twins, a curvy tank, a long and flat dan seat and spoke wheels. Borrows heavily from the motorcycle sold in the yesteryear. Something that will attract a lot of JAWA purists as the company has not deviated away from the classic design but has added modern bits into it. The front gets USD forks while the rear gets a conventional layout. Instead of alloys, the 2019 JAWA motorcycle rides on spokes for the old school appeal. Further, the beautiful exhaust pipes flowing out of the 293cc engine. Talking about the power plant, the company had shared some details earlier this month. The new JAWA will be powered by a 293cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled motor that features dual overhead camshafts. The engine is said to have been developed in Italy, as well as India, and will produce 27 horsepower and 28 Nm of peak torque and be mated to a 6-speed gearbox. According to the company, the new engine has been developed from scratch and we believe it shares only the very basic architecture with the Mojo's existing 300cc mill. The motor will be BSV ready. The new motor with period-style faux fins and twin exhaust mufflers gel well with the overall retro theme of the motorcycle. While it isn't visible, we suspect that the new JAWA will feature an analog instrument console. Other old-school design details include round mirrors, round indicators and period-style telescopic fork that is reminiscent of the ones on the Royal Enfield Classic 350. The JAWA's frame is also an all-new unit and is completely different from the one seen on the Mahindra Mojo. The chassis is suspended on telescopic fork and twin shock absorbers at the back with a gas-charged canister at the bottom. Braking hardware consists of a conventional single-disc brake that looks smaller than the unit on the Mojo. A drum brake at the rear confirms that this bike will have a single-channel ABS unit. We expected a JAWA 350 OHC model that launched in Czech countries, but this JAWA model is way more classic than the OHC models. It is more looks like the old two-stroke JAWA 350. Lot of JAWA enthusiasts are waiting for their launches. We can expect the bike in mid-2019.